Hey Summer, here's a short little video hopefully to clear up anything about probing the button circuit I have here. So that 2 just represents that I have it attached to pin number 2, so that's my input pin. So if you're going to use a multimeter to probe this circuit and try and see the voltage change here when the button is pressed, you would need the ground side of the probe to be here and the power side to be here. And just as a general rule of thumb, you always want to have one of your probes at ground. That's not always true, but I think for the applications you're going to use it for, that's a pretty good way to think about it. Moving on. So here is the circuit on the breadboard. You can see I have these 2 extra wires here because I have these little alligator clips. That's how I chose to attach them to the breadboard here. And you can see I just tried to keep it color coded, so black is ground, yellow is the one that's going over to pin 2, which is the input pin again. And if I look over here, I'm going to go ahead and press the button and just verify that it works. So it looks like it's working. The settings here, you can see I have it set to the V with the straight line over it. That stands for a direct current, so that's what you're going to be using. The one with the squiggly line is for if you were using something with an alternating current, like out the wall socket. And then lastly, this black one will always be here in the middle. I believe it shows a ground icon there. And then the red side should always be, or at least if you're using it as a voltmeter, should be in the side that has V, the omega for ohms, and the little signal icon. The other one is for measuring current, which I don't think you're going to be using in the near future. If you end up doing that, you can shoot us another email and we'll help out. All right, I hope that clears things up for you.